Are you running an online sales based business and feeling overwhelmed by managing your money? Want to stop guessing where your cash goes and start using a budget that actually helps you grow? Today I'm going to share 5 advanced budgeting strategies backed by real world example and the latest financial insights that will give you complete control over your finances and set your business up for success. Let's get started.
The first step, zero based budgeting. Sounds fancy, right? But it's simple. Instead of adjusting last month's budget, start fresh every month and justify every single expense from scratch. This keeps you focused on what truly matters right now. For example, Beth Fuller, a 27 years old entrepreneur, adopted zero based budgeting and allocated every penny purposefully. This helped her reduce unnecessary spending and gave her full visibility on where her money went. So how you can apply it? Start your budget with zero, then add expenses based on current priorities like software, marketing, or any other contractor fees. This forces you to question whether every dollar has a clear purpose. Next, pay yourself first. Many business owners forget to prioritize their savings or debt repayment. According to a 2024 Federal Reserve report, only 48% of Americans can cover a $2,000 emergency from savings. So don't get caught off guard. Automate putting a fixed percentage of your income into savings or debt reduction before paying any other bills. It's like paying a bill to your future self and helps you build financial security over time. Third, build a contingency fund, your safety net for unexpected expenses. Financial experts recommend setting aside at least 10% of your projected annual revenue in a separate account. This fund covers things like late client payments or surprise costs without forcing you to scramble or take on debt. Keep this money separate, don't touch it unless it's an emergency, and review it yearly to make sure it still fits your business needs. Fourth, leverage budgeting software to simplify your tracking. Popular tools include QuickBooks, Zero, and You Need a Budget. You Need a Budget is loved for helping users allocate money clearly, though some prefer spreadsheets to save on subscription cost. Choose the tool that fits your style and business size. The key is consistency. Track your income and expenses regularly so your budget reflects reality. Fifth, review and adjust your budget monthly. Don't set it and forget it. Finance experts suggest weekly check ins during uncertain times to catch overspending early and adapt quickly. Compare your actual spending with your budgeted amounts. See what's working and where you can cut back or invest more. This habit keeps your finances flexible and aligned with your goals. So, bonus tip, always allocate a portion of your revenue between 10 to 20% for growth. Look at Salesforce, they invest nearly half their revenue into sales and marketing, fueling consistent growth. For your business, this could mean marketing, software upgrades, or hiring freelancers, all investment that can multiply your income. By the way, I'm Mashkoor Ahmad, a bookkeeping specialist dedicated to help online service-based businesses like yours get control of their finances and scale smartly. If you want personal tips or support with your bookkeeping, feel free to schedule a free call by clicking the link below. Also, like this video if you find it helpful and comment below if you have any questions about your finances. And don't forget to subscribe for more valuable tips. Thanks for watching.